guys. Say hi everyone.
Hi daw, hi.
Oh, hello. Welcome. I want to teach people how to be wealthy but at the same time connect to nature. To teach people how to be wealthy but at the same time connect to nature. To love nature because nature is the true frequency of wealth and abundance. Okay? Pwede tayo maging mayaman, but we should love nature, we should respect nature, we should preserve nature. We should preserve our planet because there's no planet B. Okay? I love how these people and also the locals are preserving nature, and that's how it's supposed to be. I always go to properties where they are conscious of nature and they take good care of nature, and I'm just so amazed by the wildlife here. Like my monkeys, may mga rare na birds na ngayon ko lang nakita. And I've never seen garbage here. Walang basura. So far, sa napuntahan ko, like Nakpan Beach, Leo Beach. Yeah, like this place is so clean. And I talked to the locals. Yeah, especially kagabi, may na-meet akong 27-year-old na. She's so cute. Napag-usapan namin na in their hearts, they really preserve nature here. They don't want this place to be abused, diba? So sila mismo, they're taking good care. Like, naglalambat lang daw yung father niya kung mangisda. There's no illegal fishing. Or kung meron man, konti lang daw. So coming from the local itself, ganun, nasa puso talaga nila ang preservation. They are very connected. Nature is the most intelligent life form on earth than humans. They are very connected. So dapat tayo as humans, we have to respect them. They are our ancestors, to be honest. If you tune into their consciousness, they're here for millions of years. We are all equal. Okay? Nature sustains us. Nature is the representation of unconditional love. She's always giving, providing, tapos tayo, we take and take and take and take. Hindi dapat ganun. Should give back. Okay? There should be a balance of giving and receiving. So may this be a reminder for you to love that nature. When you love yourself, when you deeply connect to yourself, you will really love nature because you know she is your life, she is you, nature is you, diba? You are nature. Nature is beautiful. You are beautiful. In return, this place is booming in tourism, and good thing the tourism here is showing eco-conscious movement. So, diba, binabalik ng nature yung wealth kasi she is taken care of ng mga tao dito. So, ganun dapat. My future projects is that I want to build a community. Like, gusto kong bumili ng isang malaking property. I want to build organic farming, eco-conscious accommodations, tapos naka-solar panel na, and then may water filtration system. Like, we build our own community talaga na sovereign siya. No? We don't need to connect to other power company, etc., etc. And then there's yoga, meditation, surf, ano pa ba? Earth school. I want to build an earth school for the kids. Turuan natin sila at a young age to, engage with one another, engage with nature, and at the same time, deeply connect to themselves. So, ganun.